Melissa and Mickey here. I am back at Walt Disney World and we are staying at the Bay Lake Tower. We have a 2-bedroom standard view room. So excited to be here. We're going to experience Guardians of the Galaxy for the first time. My friends are here, my daughter's coming, and we are just gonna have a great weekend. So let's start us off by showing you the 2-bedroom villa at Bay Lake Tower. We are in 7316 and let's go for a tour. Here we go. I love the contemporary theming of Bay Lake Tower. You walk in and you've got the living room and you've got the kitchen area here, and I'll come back as usual. I'm gonna just scan everything for you and then come back and show you the specifics. Going to the left, you've got a 2-queen room, and then you also have a full bath here. We'll come back and look at that in just a moment. And then moving on to the right is your master bath. So you've got your king, and then you've got your soaker tub, and then you've got your full bathroom. So let's go back. Let's go look. Look at the living room area. So you've got beautiful full kitchen. You've got a nice place to dine here. You've got 2 seats here, an island, and look at your kitchen. How awesome is this? So we have a car this time. We stopped by and purchased groceries. When you book your vacation with Melissa and Mickey at Crazy Imagination Travel, I will give you all kinds of tips, everything you'll need to know, where to get your groceries, the best price for all of that, and everything else you need to know. And the best thing about it is my services are complimentary. So if you look here, you'll see we are fully stocked. And then we've got our sink here, and we've got soap, we've got a sponge, we have got our double toaster, we've got a coffee maker here, and yes, Joffrey's coffee. Love this. So what I usually do, they give you a decaf and then a couple regulars here, and I bring my frother from home and we make lattes. So that's super cool. And yes, I was just back from Napa, and Silverado Wine I brought with me, and that is a Disney-owned wine company. So that's pretty cool. All right, and here is our full oven, and you have all kinds of pans here. We've got a microwave, pretty large microwave there, and then here's your full-size dishwasher. And yes, it is a full-size dishwasher, so if anyone wants to stay back from the parks and cook, they can. Look at that cabinetry that slides out. We've got all kinds of cooktop cleaners. We've got towels, we've got dishwashing soap. Awesome. And let's open these up. I have guests ask me all the time, well, what's included? You have Pyrex, actually, if you wanted to make a casserole. All of these cups are glass, so these are glass for you. And then we have wine glasses here. They are also glass. I bring these from home so we can take any kind of coffee back into the parks. These are plastic. These are included. And then Disney will also provide these for you. So these are the plastic to-go cups for your coffee. And then under here we have some paper towels. Awesome. Oh, let's keep going. Look at this. We've got ceramic plates, large, small. And then staying along with the contemporary theming, if you wanted to do a cheese tray, that would be super cool. We've got bowls, and then here are your coffee cups. A little small for my taste. I usually like to purchase one at the gift shop, a larger one, and bring it and use it while I'm here. So let's look what is inside the island. More storage space. So look at all your pots and your pans with lids, fry pans, pots, anything you need from home. Here's a cutting board, and here are some more paper towels. Oh, look here. We've got tongs, we've got knives, can opener, more servingware, cookware, and then there are your metal servingware. So yes, not plastic, but for real utensils. So pretty cool. All right, now we've got a sofa sleeper here. Yes, this sofa sleeper does make out into a bed. Here is the living room pull-out sleeper sofa that we'll sleep to. We have an ottoman here, or actually a coffee table with all of the pillows and blankets in it, and then you can also use it for storage. We have a lamp, phone, and more storage down here. Look at the beautiful fabric on the curtains. Yes, so pretty. We're going to be so comfortable here. More lamps, and I will take you out on the balcony in just a moment. This chair also folds out into a sofa sleeper. I will show you that in just a moment. Here's your flat screen. Here's the living room sleeper chair, and I would say it's about like a twin. Yeah, it's really soft here and already made out, so all we had to do was pull it out, and then the blankets are in the little area that I showed you earlier, and you have got room for another guest. This is awesome. So along with your two queens, your king, your pull-out sleeper sofa, and your twin bed, you can sleep 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. So awesome. TV, and then we have our remote control that is cleaned, so that's awesome. And then lots of storage here. So if you have your kiddos that are sleeping in here, they can use this storage for a chest of drawers. And then, oh, we've got a DVD CD player. And again, here is your place to dine. Now this does open up. There's some more storage here in your chair areas. Awesome. And Space Mountain, look at that, so cool. All right, let's go into the master. So in the master, you've got one door here, so you can close that, and then we have a full-length mirror here. Storage, nice. And then you've got your chest of drawers and your flat screen TV. So more storage here, 4 of those. You have a desk, which is really nice if you think you need to do some work, which I often do. It's my excuse. I can work from anywhere and book your next Disney vacation from anywhere. I sure can. And we have another phone here. Look at all the plugs. Nice. And then we have a trash can there, and take a look at the carpet that goes along with the theming. We have another contemporary chair. We have a glass top table here, side table with a drawer. And then here is the bedding with Mickey. Love it. That's your king size bed. We do not have storage underneath here at Bay Lake Tower. I like to point that out when it does happen. And then there's your other side table there with your phone. And then look at this, your master bath is open. You can close it. It's got the sliding doors. So if you want to just slide, it's really easy to slide it back for privacy if someone wants to take a bath, or if you want to look in, you just slide it like that. Super cool. All right, you've got some hooks here. Let's go in. We've got a barn door that closes. Nice, so that'll open and close for your convenience. And here is our sink and our master bath, beautifully appointed. We've got drawers, we've got cabinetry, nice drawers here. Nice. Here is the big soaking tub, and yes, my guest asked, do they have jets? Looky there, we have a jetted tub. So you absolutely could take a bath in a jetted tub under the Castle print, which is nice. We have H2O bath products here. Awesome. I see lots of marble. I see granite here. And beautiful tile. So pretty. All right, and here's the stand-up shower. So in the master, you do have a stand-up shower. Very nice. And it's got a rain shower up top, a seat, and then you've got another shower head there. That one's interesting. I like that. Awesome. And then your wet area, your toilet. Very good. And now let's go back across to see the second bedroom. All right, so this has another door here. So for privacy, if you've got a party going on in the living room, you can shut that door. We've got 2 queen beds here with lovely Mickey and Minnie. Love that, it's so cute. And we've got 1 bedside table under the pretty lamp. And it also has storage. And then we have a table here with 2 chairs. And another mirror, nice, and then a 3rd flat screen TV, which is really nice. Chest of drawers here, so those open up. And then we have the remote control that has been cleaned and sanitized. And then we have more storage space here beside the TV. Love it, I'm so excited. All right, and here's the second bathroom. So, hello everybody. So you have 1 mirror, 1 sink, you've got some more granite, H2O products, and then you've got storage underneath and to the side. Awesome. And then you've got a sliding door here to the tub shower and toilet. So here is your second shower. It is a tub. It has a shower head there. Pretty marbling and glass, and H2O bath products, tile on the floor. Very nice. Now, here's some closet space, and our 2-bedroom villas also feature a washer and dryer. So here is your closet space, lots of hangers that I see. I didn't show you the closet in the master. We'll have to go back. This is the hallway. So it has a laundry basket in it, and it also has quite a large closet. Again, this is the hallway by the front door. And then here we have your washer and dryer. It is full size, it's stackable. It does come with 2 detergents, so that is something to note. And you can call down and the host or cast member will bring you more if needed. And then let's see where the closet is in here. Oh, here we go. So this is our master closet, and then we also have a safe that you can set on your own. I also see lots of hangers, and I see an iron and an ironing board. Awesome. And in the entryway, there is a full bath. There's a sink, mirror, toilet area, and another tub shower. So actually, you have 3 bathrooms, full baths. Very nice. And lots of storage. Yay, love Bay Lake Tower. Now let's go look outside. I see a door here that's going to take us out to the beautiful balcony. It does have a lock on it, Mom, so that's good. And so here's a double balcony, 2 chairs, and a table, and it also opens up with a sliding door to the master balcony. So So this is a standard view. We're on the 3rd floor. You can see the monorail there, and that is the front entrance, and then you can also see the Contemporary. And there's a Bellman. Awesome. And Bay Lake. Very nice, much cooler inside. And let's see what happens when we go out the door for the second area. In the second bedroom. Yeah, there's a balcony over here too. Perfecto. So yes, we have a sliding glass door. It does lock. And you have a second 2 chairs and a table. And then you can even see the monorail. Oh, there it is. There's the monorail and the Contemporary. Very nice. For your next Disney vacation, contact Melissa and Mickey. You can reach me at melissa@crazyimaginationtravel.com. It would be my pleasure to assist you in booking your perfect Disney dream vacation. I specialize in all things Disney, and there is no additional charge to use me as your guide. And I am a specialist, so I look forward to hearing from you soon. Melissa@crazyimaginationtravel.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe, push the bell for notifications, and follow all my Disney travels. And guess what? I just got back from Antarctica with Adventures by Disney, so check that one out. See you real soon.